How to add celebrities in the Bereal. If you have been using the Bereal application and wondering on how to add celebrities on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Bereal application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now to add the celebrities, tap on the Friends option at the bottom. Right here, select it. Now here you can simply find the popular accounts right here. Now tap on to show more right here. Then simply scroll down and search on the search bar the artists or the celebrities that you want to add. Now you can see you can simply follow them. Tap on to follow button right here. Tap on it. And after following them, you can simply add them. So this is the way that you can add celebrities onto the Bereal application. And that's it. This is how you can add celebrities in Bereal. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.